Investigates with a bombshell in the case of a man who spent more than 30 years in prison for a crime he says he did not commit. Following our stories on Friday, the judge who presided over that 1981 conviction is telling us he doesn't believe a jury would convict Fred Weichel today. Mike Beaudet, outside Superior Court in Brockton, where a hearing on a new trial got underway today. Mike?
Heather, it was 35 years ago this month that a jury convicted Fred Weichel of first-degree murder. Now, as a judge weighs whether to give Weichel a new trial, the retired judge who presided over the original case is speaking out. Should he get a new trial?
I would say yes. And I'm not a bleeding out liberal.
Retired Superior Court Judge Robert Barton is talking about Fred Weichel, a man convicted in his courtroom in 1981 of first-degree murder for the shooting death of Robert LaMonica in Braintree, a conviction largely based on the testimony of a teenager who had been drinking and was about 180 feet away in the dark when he says he saw Weichel fleeing the murder scene. Barton says judges instruct juries differently now on eyewitness identifications. Do you think Fred Weichel would be found guilty today?
I don't think so. I really don't think so.
And why is that?
Because of the added instructions and the consciousness now, and the fact that the judge must even tell the jury, be more critical of eyewitness identification.
The bombshell from Barton, not surprisingly, well received by Weichel's attorney.
I wish we were the judge on this case. The law has changed, I think, and Judge Veery has been very fair on this. He recognized the law changed. He has an open mind.
But the focus inside the courtroom today, the so-called Leahy report, a Braintree police report which recently surfaced and shows another man could have committed the crime. But the report was never turned over to Weichel and his attorney. When you heard about the Leahy report,
yes,
what did you think?
I was overjoyed. I was very excited and happy because I do know a little about the law during the course of this incarceration, and then to hold back something, it didn't surprise me though, because they pulled stunts like this throughout this whole case.
The district attorney's office declining to comment. Two of the victims' brothers were in court. They also declined to speak with us. This hearing is expected to last a few days, and then it will be up to the judge to decide if Fred Weichel gets a new trial. Live in Brockton, Mike Beaudet, 5 Investigates.